Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'll discuss why Kajabi's Kickstarter plan could be a great way to start if you're thinking about using this platform for your online business. I'll also share my own experience getting started with a similar entry-level plan and why starting small can actually work in your favor when you're building from scratch. But before we dive into the details, I want to share something special with you. If you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives you 30-day free trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get my Kajabi Jumpstart course. In this course, I'll show you exactly how to set up and use Kajabi step by step. But that's not all. You'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. They're worth over $900, but you get them at no cost. The best part is you'll get instant access to both the course and templates when you use my link. So check the link in the description below. But for now, let's dive in. Before we focus on the Kickstarter plan, let's quickly go over Kajabi's pricing. Kajabi now has 4 main plans: Kickstarter, Basic, Growth, and Pro. These cost $89, $149, $199, and $399 per month if you pay monthly. If you go for annual billing, you can save about 20%. Still, many people stick with monthly payments because it's more flexible, especially when starting out. The important thing to know is that the Kickstarter plan is the most affordable option. It gives you access to Kajabi's core features, so you can build your website, launch your product, and connect with your audience without committing to the higher costs of the other plans. When Kajabi introduced a cheaper plan in the past, it was $69 and only available in places like the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. But things have changed since then. Kajabi rebranded, improved, and adjusted its plans. Now they offer the Kickstarter plan for $89. Even though $89 is a bit more than the old price, it's still a great option for creators on a budget. It's perfect if you want an all-in-one platform without paying for features you don't need right away. Plus, you don't have to juggle different tools like a website builder, email marketing software, and a course platform. Kajabi brings all those things together in one smooth, easy to use package. First off, a big advantage of the Kickstarter plan is that you can create one website. Even the basic and growth plans let you create one website, so you're not losing anything by going with Kickstarter. Plus, with this plan, you get one product and one community. It might feel a bit limiting, but it's actually a smart way to begin if you're new to online business. Many successful entrepreneurs start with just one product. They focus on making it better, work on improving it, and then grow once they see their idea works. And the one community you get is also more than enough to get started. It's a space where you can connect with your audience directly. You can gather feedback, start discussions, and build a community around your product or brand. The Kickstarter plan also gives you 250 contacts, 7,500 monthly emails, and unlimited landing pages. While 250 contacts might seem small if you already have a big email list, it's actually enough if you're just starting out or switching from another platform. Plus, once you hit that limit, you'll probably be making enough money to upgrade to a bigger plan. The same goes for the marketing emails. If you're sending more than 7,500 emails a month, it's likely your business has grown and the basic or growth plan would make more sense. Unlimited landing pages are a real game changer. You won't have to worry about limits when launching a new lead magnet, running a special webinar, or testing out new funnels. Landing pages are super important for online marketing. You'll need to try different designs, test your copy, and adjust your calls to action. With no limits, you can experiment as much as you want without spending extra money. Additionally, there's a group onboarding call for new members. This lets you ask questions and make sure everything is set up properly. Kajabi now has an AI assistant built right into the platform. It helps you write sales copy, plan out courses, or come up with new content ideas. The Kickstarter plan even includes this AI feature, so you can get quick suggestions for your writing without needing another tool. Even if you don't use the AI assistant all the time, it's still a big help. It can save you time and energy, and sometimes it gives you ideas you wouldn't think of on your own. Plus, there's the Creator Studio, which works with Adobe to help turn your videos into shorter clips for social media. This is really helpful if you're posting on different platforms and want to save some time. One reason I suggest going with the Kickstarter plan is that it helps you keep things simple. When I launched my online business on Kajabi, I focused on just one product. This made it easier to give it my full attention without getting distracted by multiple courses, coaching programs, or membership tiers. Instead, I worked on creating the best experience possible for that one product. By doing this, I was able able to test my idea, get feedback from my first customers, and use the profits to build my business later. In my experience, starting small can actually help you move faster. It lets you focus on what really matters, building something valuable and connecting with your audience. On top of that, keeping things simple can help you avoid feeling overwhelmed by too many options. Kajabi has a lot to offer. It can handle email marketing, course hosting, community management, and even advanced funnel automation. But trying to use every feature at once can leave you feeling burned out. If you're new to this, it's easier to stick to the basics, get familiar with how things work, and slowly add more tools as your business grows. The Kickstarter plan is perfect for beginners. It gives you just the right amount of features to get started without making things too complicated. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. As promised, I've got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day free trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. That means you'll get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. This is an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra though, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. As a thank you for using my link, you'll also get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. This is a quick program where I walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. We'll cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. These templates are worth over $900, but you'll get them all for free. The best part is that you'll get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong so you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. With all of that said, I hope this breakdown of the Kickstarter plan helps you understand why it's the ideal starting point for digital creators. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to know more, just let me know in the comments. I'd love to share what I've learned and help you get started with setting up your online business using Kajabi. I can't wait to see you succeed. I'll see you in the next video.